Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Our today's lecture is about chapter 5 District Administration. What does district administration mean? It means the management of public affairs in district. Okay, so how the district administration work, how law and orders maintained in district, who heads the district, all these things we are going to discuss in this video. So watch the video till end, and if you are new to my channel then please subscribe and press the bell icon for notification. So let's begin it. The points we are going to cover up in this video are as follow: the district collector, the chief of the district police, and district courts. All these points we are going to learn and discuss in this chapter in detail. The district collector. The district collector is the head of the district administration. Who is the head of the district administration? The district collector. The district collector is the head of district administration. He is appointed by the state government. Who appoints district collector? State governments appoints district collector. He has to perform many functions from collecting agricultural tax to maintaining law and order in the district. We can see what these functions are from the chart given below. So here you can see a chart is given in which the functions of district collector are explained. Agriculture. He collects agricultural tax. He implements laws relating to agriculture. He also provides relief in case of drought and scarcity of fodder. Law and order. Since district collector is the head of the district administration, so it is his responsibility to maintain law and order in the district. To maintain law and order in the district, he establishes peace in the district, he maintains social harmony, he restricts unlawful assembly, imposes curfew if required. District collector also work as election officer. As an election officer, he ensures smooth conduct of election. He takes necessary decisions related to the electoral process. He also updates the voters list. Disaster management. During the time of disaster, he takes quick decision to prevent or minimize the damage. He gives orders to the disaster management units or cell. He rehabilitates those affected by a disaster. So these are the functions of district collector. Tehsildar. Here it is saying that there is a Tehsildar for every taluka or tehsil. Taluka means what? Taluka is the subdivision of district. What is taluka? Taluka is subdivision of district. And Tehsildar is the head of taluka. As a judicial officer, he gives judgments to resolve conflicts at the local level. The Tehsildar has the responsibility of maintaining peace and order in the taluka. So it is the responsibility of Tehsildar to maintain peace and order in taluka. Next, it is talking about the chief of the district police. In Maharashtra, there is a superintendent of police at every district headquarters. He is the chief police officer of the district. Who is the chief police officer of the district? Superintendent of police. He helps the district collector to maintain peace and order in the district. Who helps the district collector to maintain peace and order in the district? Superintendent of police helps the district collector to maintain peace and order in the district. In the city, the police commissioner has the responsibility of maintaining law and order. Here you can see this picture is showing that the superintendent of police inspecting a police unit. Another picture is showing the structure of district administration. Here you can see this chart. It is showing structure of district administration. District courts. The courts at the district level is known as the district court. The district court has a chief district judge and some other judges. Their main function is to hear the various cases in the district and deliver the final judgment. One can appeal against the judgment of the taluka court in the district court. Here the chart of the district court is given. It is the structure of district court. District court is divided into civil court and session court. Civil judge is for civil cases and session judge is for criminal cases. Session judge is assisted by magistrate first grade and magistrate second grade. Now let's move on to the another topic, which is disaster management. Sometimes we may have to face a calamity. It could be a natural disaster like floods, fire, a cloudburst, cyclone, earthquake, landslides, or problem like riots, bomb blast, breaking of a dam, epidemics, etc. These disasters lead to loss of human lives and displacement of people beside tremendous financial loss. Therefore, the issue of rehabilitation become important. Disaster management is a process which enables one to face a disaster in a scientific and organized manner. So what is disaster management? Disaster management is a systematic and a scientific way to tackle natural calamities as well as man-made disasters. The entire machinery of a district is involved in this process. Okay, here you can see some of the picture which is showing damage because of the disaster. So here I am ending this session, and if you find that this video is giving you informative information, then please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching and listening to me.